In order to download a free trial of Runecast Analyzer, please go to the website at www.runecast.com. From this website, you can click on the link in the top right hand corner to start a free trial. This takes you to the registration page. Register an account on the portal by completing your details on this page. Note that we require your first name, last name and your work email address. Optionally, you can also provide us with the information about your company and your mobile number, but these are optional fields. We need a super secure password, so please create one here. If it's not secure enough, you'll get a warning saying the password is not strong enough. You now need to agree to the Runecast privacy policy and optionally to receive important updates from Runecast. Click Create an Account. You receive an email with the details of how to activate your account. Please follow those instructions in order to activate the account and then come back to the portal and sign in with the credentials you set up. You can see here now that I'm signed in, I have access to my account. I have a license file down here. If this is just a trial, you won't have a license file and you don't need a license file for the 14-day free trial. What you do need is to download the Runecast OVA. So click here now. We can see that downloading there in the bottom left of the screen. While we're here, let's take a look around the portal. So from the portal, we can optionally download the offline update capabilities. So if you're deploying into an environment without an internet connection, you can always come back to the portal, download the latest application and knowledge updates. You can also access the release notes and an evaluation guide in here, as well as a link to the latest version of the user guide. That's all for this time. Join me in the next video where I'll walk you through how to deploy Runecast Analyzer into your environment.